सबसे पहले कि सर ने जैसा कहा न्यू कमर्स नहीं, यू एक्चुअली वर्क विद स्टार्स, कहीं ना कहीं यू ऑलरेडी सी दैट इन देम। फिर चाहे वो सारा अली खान की बात हो, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बात हो, या राजकुमार राव को उनका वो जो बड़ा वाला ब्रेक मिला था काय पोचे से, हम कहेंगे। सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what did you see in these two lovely people? And दूसरी चीज सर, whenever it's an अभिषेक कपूर directorial, वहां पे म्यूजिक अमेजिंग होता है, फिर चाहे अगेन काय पोचे, केदारनाथ या चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी। what do you have to say sir on that?
You know, I am totally driven by the stories that I want to tell. और जब आप कहते हैं कि मैं न्यू कमर्स को लॉन्च करता हूँ, मैं एक्चुअली जो किरदार मेरे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं फिल्म कहानी बोलने में, मैं उनमें जान डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ। और वो ऑलरेडी वो कैरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए स्टार्स होते हैं, क्योंकि मैं जब सोता हूँ तो उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ। तो जब आप राशा और रमन की बात करते हैं तो मुझे उनमें गोविंद और जानकी नज़र आते हैं, यू नो, एंड आई एम ड्रिवन, दे आर, आई नो देम इन एंड आउट, यू नो, और मेरे लिए वो बच्चे जैसे होते हैं। और ये मेरी पूरी कहानी, सारे कैरेक्टर्स मेरे बच्चों जैसे होते हैं, एंड आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू देम, आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू द स्टोरी, आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू every character in that film, and I do the best I can, you know, and it's you know, I think भोलेनाथ ऊपर से साथ देते हैं मेरा। और ऐसी फिल्म बनाने के लिए ये इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, यू नो, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल, जैसे इट्स नॉट अ प्रोजेक्ट कि आप किसी को लॉन्च करने के लिए आप फिल्म बनाए। दिस आर नॉट दोज फिल्म्स, दिस आर वेरी passionately driven films, and you need people like Ajay, you know, because this man is, I've had such an experience working with him. When I sit with him and I talk to him, he's so grounded and he's so secure as an individual. He doesn't like, I've seen so many actors, you know, sometimes they are so insecure about so many factors that play on their mind, but he has none of that, you know. And once I have him supporting me and saying, yeah, I'm with you on this film, and it's not like he is the only, it's not a Ajay Devgan film, you know, it's Azad, and he's part of Azad, and that's the great part about him. Yeah, he can fit into a film like this, he can do a singer, he can do a film with Vishal Bhardwaj and become that, he can become anything. He's a chameleon, you know, and that's his mastery on his craft. But I would really like to add one thing, you know, which I don't get the chance to express, because you know, a film like this, to mount a film like this, like I said, it's not just a project or it's not a business opportunity. I cannot do it without the support of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala. Absolutely. You know, this man is such a fabulous individual. You know, when I meet him and I can see he's achieved so much in this field and in other arenas as well. But when you watch him work and the way he thinks, he's like an institution. You know, I learned so much from him about how I should operate. He's creative, and then his business acumen triggers at the way he checks himself, and at the same time, he doesn't compromise on the creative part of it, you know. So, I mean, it's not possible for films like this to be made without the blessings of this man. And, you know, every member of my crew, and it would not be fair if I didn't talk about my producer, my wife. You know, I mean, she's my wife, and people think, yaar, एक ही बात है, मगर you know, एक डायरेक्टर को झेलना, और वो भी आपके घर पे, और you know, we actually end up being 24 hours together. So when I'm making a movie, I'm quite crazy, you know. It's very difficult to handle a person like that. And then when you are the producer of the film, you have to deal with all his professional bullshit also, you know, other than his personal one. So it takes a very strong and a solid person to handle a person like me. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank her.
So sweet.